Okay, welcome back. So we're going to do section 2.1, factorizing with common factors. Okay, so we're going to just jump straight in as such, or at least let's say we have any linear binomial such as 3x plus 2, and we have two situations. If we multiply that by a constant, then we'll be using this method today. Okay, we get 21x plus 14. Or if we multiply a binomial in x, a linear binomial in x, by an x term, let's make it 2x, then distribute your multiplication, we would get 10x squared plus 8x. So let's study these. This is just a linear expression with a common numerical factor, and this is a quadratic expression but without a constant, and it has both common numerical and common x's, and that's basically what we're studying today. Okay, so let's just jump straight into it. Let's do the three examples given here. So it's x squared, and I'll write them down the page, x squared plus 7x, 3x squared plus 9x, and 3xy minus 12y. Okay, so looking at the first one, we're trying to find a common factor. And just to be more specific, we're trying to find the highest common factor. And when we do that, we take it out. So looking at this, we clearly see that x is in both of them. Okay, and so they're using a reverse version here of the rectangular model or the geometrical model, the 2D model, but it's not something you're going to use in reality. Okay, well, let's go straight for, we're taking out an x of a bracket and we're leaving in x plus 7. X squared over x gives the first bit, and 7x over x gives the second bit, 7, and x squared over x gives x. Now looking at this, we're looking for the highest common factor first to take out, which is 3x. We take it out, and it's a little bit contrived. It's a new idea. It's working backwards from multiplying in. So you're taking out your 3x and you're asking yourself, how many times does that go into that? That's what factoring is about. Factoring is like dividing. Okay, but you have to identify. If I said to you, tell me about the number 14, you might say, well, that's 2 7s. That's factoring. Okay. And that's what you're doing here with letters. You're taking out the 3x and you're saying, well, that leaves x, and you're taking out the 3x from this, and that leaves 3. Okay, so that's the first one there done. That's the second one done. And in the third one, but I will say their examples aren't really spread out as enough, so I'll do a fourth one in a minute. In the third one here, we take out 3y, and we'd have minus 4 left there. So let me make up a fourth question that we should have been doing. It might be something like 15x plus 20. Okay, this has a numerical common factor, which is 5, so you would take it out, leaving 3x plus 4. Okay, so that's what it's about. We'll jump into the problem solving now, and I'll try and get straight down to, these are really preliminary skills, so we'll get straight down to question 3. And we'll factorize 7x plus 14y will be 7 times x plus 2y. AB plus BC, looking here we have the highest, the common factor, the highest common factor is b. Okay. I'm not going to do all of them. Let me do 6, 12xy minus 18yz. So there's a y in both of them and there's a 6 in both of them. So we take out the 6y. So you're doing several things now. 6 into 12 is 2. The y goes away, the x survives because you need an x in the product. And you minus because plus into minus is minus. 6 into 18 is 3. The y goes away. You're left with a z here. Okay, and we'll do the last one. 6a squared b minus 8ab plus 4ab. Okay, so you should be able to figure out that the 2 is common numerically, a is in all of them, and b is in all of them. Okay, leaving 3a minus 4b squared, no, b, really made a mistake, minus 4b, and 2ab has come out, the a and the b have come out, and the 2 has come out, leaving 2 inside. Okay? Right. I'll just do all of these at full speed. Okay, question 10 here. I'll take out 3x squared, leaving 1. That's interesting. When the whole thing comes out, you're leaving 1 minus 2y. I'll take out, now I can't take out 4, but I can take out 2. So I'll take out 2 with the highest power of x, which is 2x. Lowest power of x, I should have said. Take out 2x, leaving 2x minus 3y, and taking out 2x here is plus 4z. Down to this one, scanning across, we're seeing a 2 and an a and a b is common. A and b, leaving a there. Minus 2, now 2a has come out of a minus, so the minus is still there, and you've 2b. I'm concentrating here, I really have to think through this. 2ab is 6c. Okay, that's it. As always, I'll see you in the next one.